Social media marketing, this is the biggest opportunities in the marketing we've seen for years. Yeah, but it is still ad hoc or unmanaged. It would be fully effective and can be damaging since it is not managed. If you are not managing your social media marketing, it can be damaging to you. Yeah, it definitely cannot be ignored as your strategy. So we need to create a structured plan for the social media marketing. So what do we learn in this chapter? Is about what is the social media marketing, how to do the benchmarking, how to create the strategy to manage the social media, how to do social listening, how to develop content, how to conduct the communication strategy in the social media marketing, how to do approach using social media platform, and how to do social media optimization. Right, quite a topic. So what is social media marketing and why is it so important? So social media is the term given to the combination of internet and mobile-based channel, which allow users to interact with each other and share opinions and content. As the name implies, social media involve the building of communities of network and encourage participation and engagement. So the success in social media is not about network. It's not about your tools, but your communication strategy in order to encourage participation, interaction, and sharing. So used to be the objective of the all digital marketing is to increase traffic. But since the era of the social media is coming, the objective is now changed to become engagement, which is participation, interaction, and sharing. So social media used to involve to increase the traffic, but it is now not only traffic but engagement, brand awareness, and other marketing goals. Yeah, such as you need to set up in social media. You need to set up goals like how much traffic do you want, how many likes do you want, how many comments is the target, how many shares. So let's say in Twitter has Twitter analytics. So if you have a Twitter, and then you can check how many likes, comment, in total how many likes and how many likes do you have for all of your tweets. This also happened in the Instagram analytics, Facebook analytics. Yeah. So also using using API. So I use API to collect the data of the social media. In Instagram, I can in the Twitter I can put the Sonia Twitter, and then I can calculate how many likes, how many replay Sonia have. Yeah, how many comment, how many sentiment, negative sentiment on the response towards Sonia. So you can calculate that using the API or using the analytics. Nah, and then the social media marketing also giving the users a personalized experience and creating content that can go viral. Yeah. So why people use social media? To achieve their goals, and then giving their audience, their customer, a personalized experience, and then creating content that will go viral, even like videos, the blogs, infographics that go viral. So there are a lot of social media tools available in the market. There are social networks like Facebook, Instagram, social publishing, online magazine, social commenting, there is blogs, social news communities, social customer service, social knowledge Wikipedia, WikiHow, social bookmarking, streaming, and then social search, Google Plus, social commerce, review ratings and product, and it is now still improving. Yeah, in Google there is more Google Merchant Center, Google Shopping, Google Analytics, Google Ads, etc. Yeah? Social media marketing as well. Instagram Analytics, Twitter Analytics, Facebook Analytics, and there is in social media marketing radar here. So which let's say like Effie, so we can identify which social media that she used to have. Yeah, let's say in bookmark. So this we can also identify the social media radar on to one person. Yeah. Okay. And then social media marketing can be highly beneficial to you when you done it right. So it can improve, by using social media, it can improve the brand awareness, number one. And then by using social media, it can improve the conversion rate. Yeah. So because you target the right persona on the Instagram ads, you have the right persona, then the conversion rate will be higher. Or you can put the campaign into several targets to increase your awareness. And then improve search engine rankings. Yeah. Because your website, you have your website link on your Instagram campaign. Even people click on your campaign, it goes to your websites. So it also increases the search engine rankings. Cost effective. By using social media, you do not need to pay much. Okay, I want to be a president. So you actually, to become a president, you don't have to pay billion, no. Peanuts. You just put on the social media, Instagram, and then you put a campaign in the Instagram. That's done. If you want to be a major in a town, something like that, you don't have to pay a party. No, you just use Instagram. It happens in India. People use Instagram only or WhatsApp. Yeah, and then the elected president use WhatsApp. The elected president in India use Instagram, and increase the traffic using the social media. So it helps you a lot. Any questions, Araso?
안녕하세요, sir.
All right. So there are a lot of options there in the social media: Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, yeah. And then the Forrester, the post methodology. So in social media, people understanding the audience, situation analysis. You need to understand the people of your audience. And then identify the audience. Know your audience, and then after you know your audience, you set up goals accordingly to their preference. Yeah, different customer want different product. Yeah, so if you put the right product to the right customer, it will be highly easy to convert, yeah, to buy and retain your customer. And then strategy. Yeah. So social media is a disruptive approach. Yeah. So let's say usually people use television, campaign, radio, television, and also people gathering in the field. No, now you can do with the social media only. A lot of leader in the governor, mayor, yeah, they get elected only by social media, especially during COVID-19. People cannot gather in the room, gather in the field, so they use social media, and social media is the media platform is the best technology platform to achieve your goals in the business, in whatever. So on top of all objective, people use social media as their platform to achieve their objectives. So in the benchmarking, recall chapter 1, there is sell, speak, serve, save, and sizzle. So this also happen not only on the website but on the social media, also in the web, on the social media, on the website, on the apps. So we need to elaborate what are the indicator in the sell for the social media: reach, act, convert, engage. This is the indicators like AIDA: awareness, interest, decide, and action. Speak, the engagement, the dialogue. How many comments do you have? Yeah, to keep how many people give message to you. Serve, how do you resolve, like Givari question regarding the complaint. Yeah, what are the issues and how many days do you need to resolve them? How many hours you need to resolve them? That is serve. Save, cost reduction. Sizzle, sizzle is on the outcome achieved through social media, which can occur on the site or the offline. Value of outcomes online or offline, leads or sales influenced by the social media. Sizzle is the leads or sales that influenced by the social media. So you need to develop benchmark and then compare it with your competitor. Okay, this is my 5S. And what is your 5S? Let's compare it. Which one is better? Let's say in the issue resolving issues. I do it in 1 day. How many days in the other competitor? So if you have 1 day, the other is 5, 3, 4. So you can be the top of mind of the customer in the problem solver. So benchmarking to others is the way to map where is your position, perceptual mapping on the customer mindset. Right. So this is on the benchmark. And then in the conducting the benchmarking, you need to do it smartly, which is specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time bound. Specific, you need to make your goals focus, and then measurable, it can be measured. Yeah, your goals supposedly can be measured. Attainable, it should be challenging but still be able to achieve. Relevant, it is that your target supposedly determining whether this is giving values to you, relevant to you. Time bonds, you need to achieve that in a period of time. You need to set up the target date on your goal setting. All right. So far so good. Any questions? Arasto?
Gracias,
All right. Right. And then, so in the creating a strategy to manage the social media, first you need to identify your audience in the social media. Okay, you do it with the Twitter analytics, Facebook analytics, Instagram analytics. You can collect demographic data of your audience. Yeah, collect demographic data of your visitors on the website, visitors, the subscribers, yeah, the followers. What is the age average? What is the gender average? What is their education, their income, their interests? So, and then transform the brand through social media. So you need to transform the brand through social media. Some of the most important things that you should take care of to transform the brand is set up the social media marketing plan. What is your marketing plan? And then create a content that is informative, shareable, actionable, and relevant content. Keep your content visual and appealing. Be active and responsible with your customer base and measure the metrics like what is the conversion rate, what is the click rate, what is the click-through rate, etc. So developing your brand through social media is very easy. Yeah, create a content that is informative, shareable, actionable, and then keep it appealing, actively responsive to the customer comment, and then measure the metrics. How many likes, how many conversion to buy and click-through rate, how many click to the websites. So this is the workflow to transform the brand through social media. And then on the strategy, acquiring new customer, you can reach out on the social media. Yeah, reach out on the customer through the social media, and then targeting the interested people. So basically targeting the right persona, sending the email broadcast right for others, so write emails, and then attract people from web to important page on your website, and then engaging with your community. You speak with the community and pay to promote. Use the display ads, Google ads, affiliate marketing. Yeah, so we will do it. Yeah, we will do it. You starting with your website. After that, we are going to and then you have your Instagram ready accordingly with your websites, and then we can develop Facebook ads, Instagram ads with the minimum amount of money. And then forget not to conduct social listening. How to conduct social listening? We can use the API. Using the RStudio, we can conduct social listening. What do people talk about your product? What are they talking about regarding your product? You can use the API for the Twitter and then select your, is it running? Oh, there's some error here. Yeah. Okay. So, this is something wrong here. So, listen to what people said. Yeah. What is their sentiment, positive or negatives? Using the data from your API. You can do it in the Twitter, you can do it in RStudio, or you can do it in Python. Yeah. Okay, so listen to your customer. All right, and then yeah, a lot of ways to conduct the listening using Hotsuite. This is the paid software, yeah. Buffer, Meet Edgar, Sprout. RStudio is free. Yeah, RStudio is free. And then develop the content marketing and engage strategy for your brand. Yeah. Decide on the goals you want to achieve. Define the persona, and then determine the best type of content. How to identify the right content for your customer? Anybody can answer that? How to identify the best content, the right content for your target customer? Effie? Wania?
By looking how many likes and reaction.
Yes, you can. So in the campaign, there is likes. Yeah. And then how to identify which content generate the most like? How to identify which type of content which generate the most like? All right. So we have a content like this. This is the content. This picture. Yeah. So we do it with the dummy variable. I already explained dummy variable, haven't I? Have I? Okay. Let's do it here. New. Okay, let's learn another skill. So we have here likes. Run between 100 and 500 likes. Okay, and then there is content. The content just like humor, and then the content like romance, the content like sports, the content like education, the content like technology, something like that. Okay, so on top of your topics or themes, the content is humor, romance, sports, edu, and tech. Okay, so we could do a dummy variable. If this is 1, this is 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, so this is 1. Okay, let's put it all 0 then first. 0 here first. I think I already explained regarding dummy variable, haven't I? Have I? Not yet. Not yet kah dummy variable?
You've used it, but I don't know if you have explained it before.
I use it but not yet explained. Okay.
Yes, Pak, you use it frequently, but not explain it.
Okay, dummy is if humor is 1, the other is 0. Romance is 1, the other is 0. So you need to, okay, there is a campaign, and then that kind of campaign or content is categoric. You categorize it as humors. The other will be 0. The other content is romance. The other is 0. The other is sport. The other is 0. So we conduct the data analysis, and then using the regression. This is using the regression, but using dummy variable regression. Regression, the y is likes is y, and then the x range is this content, And then let's say the output range is in here. Okay. Okay, sorry, non-numeric data regression. Oh, okay, sorry. Table is here, label is here. Okay. So, which content generate the likes the most?
Education.
Yes, indeed, Emma. You got it right. Education generate the likes the most. So you identify which content generate the likes the most. The education. So if you want to focus to generate more likes, you focus on the education. This is on the content. There are a lot of aspect, not only content, but also hashtag. How many hashtag there? Let's say the hashtag, let's say 1 hashtag, 2 hashtag, 3 hashtag, 5 hashtag. This is hashtag. Hashtagnya there's 6. This is 1 hashtag, 2 hashtag. Oops, sorry. 3 hashtag, and then 4 hashtag, 5 hashtag. By using hashtag only, we can identify. Let's say this one. Oh, 1 0 lah. Okay. So, alright. Yeah, supposedly the same result, yeah. So, how many hashtag generate the like the most? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let me do it another one. Something like this. Data analysis. Regression, okay. Okay. Alright. So, the data changed kah? Oh, because we changed the like changed then. So, if you put F9, it will be changed. Okay. So, which hashtag generate the like the most? Number 3. 3 hashtag generate the like the most. If you put 3 hashtag, the people like it more. So, use 3 hashtag on the education content using 3 hashtag. So you can do it another hashtag, and then the what we call it, the content, and a lot more. Yeah. So there are a lot of options on the variables. So that is how we determine which content generate the likes the most. Arasa?
Rasul.
Okay, cool. Dummy variable. Okay. And then, okay, this is the communication strategy. You can use the blogs, the Twitter, the Facebook, LinkedIn. Yeah. So define your social media communication strategy. And then define approaches for the social media platform. Different platform, different approach. If you are using Instagram, it will be different with Twitter, different with the Facebook. Yeah? The profile of Facebook customer, so every persona have preference. Okay, so we can add it. All people differ. So this kind of cluster like Facebook, this kind of cluster like Instagram. So do not, if they like Facebook, also if the digital savvy like Facebook, do not send the campaign into Instagram because they are in Facebook the most. So in the clustering result, the digital savvy customer 90% in Facebook. So do not do Instagram. Do it in Facebook because they stay there. Yeah. It also happened to the other platform. So there is A/B testing. Last is the social media optimization. A/B testing. A/B testing means like if you do something. Okay, A/B testing is like doing testing into two groups. The one you do nothing. Yeah, I mean that business as usual. Business as usual. Okay, you do your business. Okay, do it. Okay, you should give campaign here, campaign that. Okay. The other one you you put different. Let's say, okay, if I put the content education and the hashtag 3, it will generate the likes the most. So you conduct edu and hashtag 3 hashtag. What is the difference? Okay, if you do nothing, the like will be 300. Let's say the like will be 300. And then you conduct the experiment. The like become 500. So what is the incremental likes? You have incremental likes from the A/B testing, 200 likes. So this is what the A/B testing did. Yeah. Do as usual. Yeah, the current campaign, the scheduled campaign, it is still running towards the groups. Let's say this is one around 100 people. This is 100 people. You conduct and then you get 300 likes. And then now you conduct edu and 3 hashtag. It generates 500 likes. You identify the combination. So you got the incremental likes. This is the result. 200 is the result, not the 500. The result is the 200 from the A/B testing. Araso? Capish? Alright, cool. So that's all on the social media. Okay. Alright. Last week I recall that you to send giving the assignment to develop website. Anybody finish?
I thought it's due next week,
Oh
sir.
yeah, this week supposedly the journals.
Yeah, you said to give you a draft for a
Okay,
journal.
so
but
have you got the journal ready?
I have a draft.
Okay,
ready,
sure.
but-
Yes, I have a draft.
Cool. So show me. So share screen. Let's talk about the journals.